It's official. Apple and Chase announced that Chase will become the new issuer of the Apple Card. JPMorgan Chase will assume responsibility for $20 billion in Apple Card balances previously held by Goldman Sachs. According to Apple's official Newsroom article, it states this. Today, Apple and Chase announced that Chase will become the new issuer of the Apple Card, with an expected transition in approximately 24 months. Apple Card users can continue to enjoy the award-winning experience of Apple Card, which includes up to 3% unlimited daily cash back on every purchase, easy-to-navigate spending tools, Apple Card family, access to high-yield savings account, and more. Mastercard will remain the payment network for Apple Card, and Apple Card users can continue to access Mastercard's global acceptance and benefits. Again, right now, the Apple credit card offers 1% cash back on all purchases, 2% cash back when using the Apple Card with Apple Pay, and 3% cash back at Apple and select merchants. According to the article, it says, "We're incredibly proud of how Apple has transformed the credit card experience for customers by delivering innovative tools that empower users to make healthier financial decisions," said Jennifer Bailey, Apple's Vice President of Apple Pay and Apple Wallet. Chase shares our commitment to innovation and delivering products and services that enhance consumers' lives. We look forward to working together to continue to provide a best-in-class experience and exceptional customer service with Apple Card. Apple is an iconic brand recognized globally for its innovation, design excellence, and commitment to delivering exceptional customer experiences, said Allison Beer, Chase's Chief Executive Officer of Card and Connected Commerce. "We share a commitment to supporting consumer financial health, and we're proud to deepen our relationship by welcoming them as the newest partner in our industry-leading co-branded credit card program. We're excited to innovate together in the future." This brings together two powerhouses, JPMorgan Chase, the largest bank in the US, and Apple, a leader in innovative consumer technology with a devoted customer base, with millions of Americans fully invested in Apple's ecosystem. This collaboration pairs industry titans. The article also states, "We're thrilled to work with Apple and Chase to continue our long-standing partnership on Apple Card. The innovation on Apple Card has taken the consumer payments experience to the next level, and we look forward to delivering simple, secure, and seamless payments at global scale," said Linda Kirkpatrick, Mastercard's President of the Americas. Introduced in 2019, Apple Card is designed with users' financial health in mind and has become a top choice among consumers for its innovative features, seamless user experience, and commitment to customer privacy and security. With absolutely no fees, Apple Card makes it easy to track purchases and manage spending from Apple Wallet while offering up to 3% daily cash back on every purchase, which users can choose to have automatically deposited onto their Apple Cash card in Wallet and can be used for in-store, online, and in purchases with Apple Pay. The Apple Card truly grew in popularity both through Apple's loyal fan base, but also by its unique ability to bridge technology and finance in a way that felt simple, engaging, and intuitive. One of its most appealing features was the option to check approval without impacting a user's credit score, which encouraged many people to apply. The Apple Card eliminated fees altogether. No annual fees, no late fees, and no foreign transaction fees. Paired with the ease of approval, these benefits made the card highly desirable as consumers were drawn to its sleek titanium design and the rewards earned from everyday spending. According to the article, with the Apple Card family, users can also share an Apple Card account with anyone added to their family sharing group. Another benefit is Apple Card monthly installments, which allows users to pay for new Apple products over time, interest-free, when they choose to check out with Apple Card monthly installments at Apple. Additionally, users can open a savings account through Apple Card, and once it is set up, will have all their future daily cash automatically deposited there, providing users with even more options. And then the article also states that during this transition, Apple Card users can continue to use their card as they normally do. And you can find more information at learn.applecard.apple/transition. And then additional details will be shared with users as the transition date approaches. In the end, this move solidifies JPMorgan Chase growing dominance in the credit card and retail banking space. By stepping in as a new issuer of the Apple Card, Chase is taking on more than $20 billion in existing loan balances and expanding its footprint within Apple's massive ecosystem. While the transition is expected to take up to 2 years, the announcement marks a clear shift away from consumer finance for Goldman Sachs and a strategic expansion for Chase, setting the stage for how one of the world's biggest banks plans to shape the future of digital-first credit cards. And of course, it's just a waiting game to see what Chase will do with the Apple credit card.